Hello, educators! Today, we're embarking on a journey to discover how AI websites can revolutionize your teaching methods. These platforms are brimming with resources and tools to enrich your classroom experience and captivate your students like never before. Join me as we delve into the world of AI websites and unlock their potential in your teaching practices. Teachable Machine is one such platform that serves a unique purpose in the realm of education and technology. It provides a user-friendly interface for educators, students, and creators to explore the fascinating world of machine learning without the need for coding expertise. Through Teachable Machine, users can easily train machine learning models using images, sounds, or poses, and then deploy these models in various applications. Let's explore this website together to uncover the array of tools it offers. Here we are on the Teachable Machine website. Begin by navigating to the site using your preferred web browser. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the features and tools available on Teachable Machine. This platform allows you to create machine learning models without writing any code, making it accessible to educators of all skill levels. As you can see, Teachable Machine offers various tools such as image, sound, and pose recognition. These capabilities can be leveraged to create interactive learning experiences for your students. Next, select the type of project you'd like to create on Teachable Machine. Whether it's image classification, sound recognition, or pose detection, choose the project that best suits your lesson objectives. Click on the project type that aligns with your teaching goals. For example, you may choose image classification to teach object recognition or sound recognition to explore auditory concepts. Remember to use the standard model. Now it's time to collect and label data for your project. Gather relevant images, sounds, or poses that you want the model to recognize. Upload your data to Teachable Machine and label each item accordingly. This step is crucial for training the model to accurately identify the desired elements. With your data collected and labeled, it's time to train the model. Teachable Machine provides a user-friendly interface to train and test your machine learning model, allowing you to refine its accuracy. Utilize Teachable Machine's training and testing features to fine-tune your model's performance. Explore Teachable Machine's deployment options and choose the method that best suits your teaching environment. Whether it's through a web link, embedded code, or downloadable file, share your model with your students to enhance their learning experience. Congratulations, educators! Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more exciting lessons, and share this video with your fellow learners. Until next time, happy learning!